Hey friend, how's it going? So today we're gonna be discussing our very first topic of not our very first topic, but a topic on data structure and algorithms, and that has to do with nodes from a linked list, or I would say a singly linked list. So, what is a node? A node is pretty much a container, okay, where you have the value of the node, which is the data itself, and then you have a pointer, which is conventionally called next, okay? So this is all you need to know. This is all you need to know, and that's what makes a node. So those two elements, data and next. Now, what is the data? The data is pretty much the value that you inserting or encapsulating in the node, okay? And then the next is what's really pointing your current node to the next node, to some node that we're not going to talk about right now, okay? So that's what you need to know about the node. And now let's go ahead and learn how to implement that in Python. So I already have my node.py open, and so what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to have to do class nodes, and then from there I'm going to use a function to initialize my class, and then I'm going to have self, and then after that I'm going to have data. And how about setting the data to none as a default? Okay, forgot to put a colon here, and then I'm going to have what? I'm going to have self that data equals data, and then um, self that next equals none. All right, so what did I just do here? All I did is I created a class called nodes. I initialize um, and two variables, one called data, which I want to default to none, and then the next portion component or the next variable, which I want to default to none. That's all I need to explain you as far as node is concerned. Now let's try to figure um, how to run this. So I have the node function, right? And then in the node, I want to insert a value, right? And I want that value to be Oscar, and that's my name, okay? So what's gonna happen is if I want to print that value, I'm gonna have to do n1. If I call it, let me call it node one. That's what I mean to write. So nodes one, that's what data, because that's a variable within the nodes class. So if I print this, I should be able to have um, one session print terminal. I should be able to have Oscar, as you can see here, right? And then how about the next? So if I do print nodes one dot next, what do you think it's gonna give me? It's gonna give me none. It's definitely gonna give me none, and this is none right here. Now, again, this is just to show you how to create a node, and again, we talk about how to set up a node graphically here and how to implement that in Python. Our next lecture will be about to show you how to connect nodes one to another. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more to show going forward. Thank you very much and thanks for watching. Bye bye.